enterprise systems is in charge in coordinating the different tasks inside the business as well as the important information coming from all of the organization's functional areas. Because of these systems, the company will be able to have a fundamental information source needed by the different offices.
Supply chain management, or SCM.
Let's look at the engine of the motorcycle. The engine is needed by the motor to power up. But before the engine will be able to do its function, the engine will need a gas which will undergo a process wherein, along with air, it is drawn into a combustion chamber where it is compressed and burnt by a spark. The resulting combustion provides a power stroke that, when repeated rapidly, powers the motorcycle. It means that the engine is the one responsible for processing the gasoline that will be converted into an energy needed to power up the motor. From gasoline, the engine is responsible to process it and produce a final product, which is the spark that allows the motor to start up. In supply chain management, the materials, information, and finances will also undergo a process, just like the gasoline, and these are supervised as they move from supplier to manufacturer, to wholesaler, to retailer, and to consumer. Four basic components of a supply chain management are 1. Strategy, 2. Partners, 3. Operation, and 4. Logistics. Supply chain management, or SCM, saves time, reduces inventory, decreases order processing costs. Customer relationship management, or CRM. When the engine already started up the motor, the instruments of it will start to work. The instruments, which include the speedometer, tachometer, and odometer, allows the driver to see the instantaneous speed, the speed of rotating mechanical devices, and records the distance that the motor has traveled. These instruments allow the driver to prevent the overheating and damage of the engine and to monitor the performance of the important parts of the motor to make it do and improve its function well. Customer relationship management includes the entire cycle of relationships with customers, from marketing through sales to customer service. CRM information systems collect information about shoppers and customers and help target the most likely buyers of a product or service. Business Process Reengineering, or BPR. Let's take a look to the drivetrain part of the motor. This drivetrain is used to control or change the direction which the motorcycle will take. For example, a man needs to go to SM and has to travel 10 km just to reach his destination, but then he learns a shortcut route wherein he'll just have to take 3 kilometers to reach it. The man will just have to control the drivetrain to the direction which he will take to reach his destination faster and in a shorter distance. In business relationship management, the procedure of the business processes will be reviewed again and reorganized in such a way that the company's performance will achieve improvements in the different categories such as cost, quality, service, and speed. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP. ERP is matched to frame of the motorcycle. The purpose of a motorcycle frame is to act as a base onto which all the different parts of a motor can be attached to. The frame can also help to protect the more sensitive parts of a motorcycle to prevent it breaking down. Just like the purpose of the motorcycle frame, the enterprise resource planning allows everything in a company to develop or continue the performance of the company as a whole. This increases the productivity, improves quality, and reduces costs. It makes the organization more competitive against other like companies. 1966, two sisters Milagros and Clarita, and their sister-in-law, Doris, decided to open a small bake shop along to the Pasong Tomo Street, Makati. Later on, Goldilocks decided to reposition itself as a global brand.
You're the one, Goldilocks.